Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by. Appreciate your time and support. Shooting 1080p video from the rear of the Umidigi 1 Max. This is a video test. It's official. An official video test. Just stopped by Mickey D's, got some coffee. Hope everybody's doing great. Thanks for coming on by, hanging out with me for a few as I do a video test. 1080p, let me know how everything looks, how everything sounds with the Umidigi 1 Max. You can go check out the unboxing of this device. I also have a video test that I did during the day utilizing the front-facing cam and the rear cam of the Umidigi 1 Max. Go check it out. Doesn't look too bad at all. The video's a little choppy from the rear, but from the front, man, it looks amazing. It might be a vlogging device that I can utilize. Yes. Always looking for a device that I can use while vlogging. A little choppy, but not too bad from the rear. The audio quality, little teeny, little robotic, but the feedback that I'm getting from a lot of you is that it doesn't look that bad at all. So, and that's what I want. I want the feedback. It's one thing and how I see it and how I hear it. It's another coming from all of you. I do have an app from the Play Store called Open Camera. Shout out to Donovan for throwing that tip my way. So what I'm going to do here in a few seconds is switch over to Open Camera, and you can let me know if you see any difference with the stock camera shooting video. And then when I start using the Open Camera, let me know down below if you see any major difference. If it's just a little bit, if it's somewhat, but if it's a lot, yeah, man, maybe that's what I'll utilize while shooting video from the rear. So we're going to do that right now. We are now using Open Camera, an app from the Play Store, shooting 1080p video. This guy is driving super, super slow. Let me know how everything looks, how everything sounds. It tends to be focus hunting, which I wasn't getting that with the stock camera on the Umidigi 1 Max. Yeah, I just noticed some focus hunting, and it looks to be a little more choppy during the day. This camera app actually does a little better. It seems to be struggling right now in low light in the dark. There's that focus hunting again. So what we're going to do is go back to the stock camera. Yeah. We're going to go back to the stock camera and continue this video. And then you can see the difference again from what you're seeing right now. And now switching back to the regular camera here on the Umidigi 1 Max. We're going to do that right now. All right, we are back. Utilizing the stock camera on the Umidigi 1 Max from the rear, 1080p. We're not moving. We're going to move here in just a second. And see how everything looks once more with the stock camera here. Looking pretty good, man. Doesn't look like the Open Camera is going to be something I want to use while shooting video in the dark, but could utilize during the day. All right, man. Appreciate all of you. appreciate you watching this vid. Let me know down below your thoughts. Video test, 1080p. From the rear of the Umidigi 1 Max. I am out. God bless. That's it. That's it. I'm done. I'm done. Go Blazers. You're down 0-2. Come home. Take home court. Even up the series. They played good last night, man. They played really good last night. Yeah, they blew a 15-point lead, but they still played good. Battled. That's what they want to do when they come home. Tie it up. 2-2. Make it a 3-game series. Shout out to Grant and your Warriors. Shout out to Seth Curry for 37 points. All right, I'm done. Peace.